Flattening a beautiful parota slab this morning. This just came in last week. This one went fast. It's about 54 by 128, something like that. Crazy beautiful grain on this thing. It's a second pass. I'm really stoked. My new dust collector moves a lot of air, so normally if I didn't have a mask on, I'd be coughing up a lung right now with this parota dust. And now I got this 6-inch hose going over to my new 5-horse dust collector setup that's moving about, well, whatever the maximum is going to move through a 4-inch inlet, probably 1500 CFM. The max is about 2500. There's not a lot of back pressure. I got 2 times the amount of air filter, 440 square feet. So it's working fantastic. It even picks up the dust off the end of the slab. You used to just pile it up right there, and it'd be a big cloud in the air. So also I've got these new airvac 2500 CFM air filters. I got one there blowing that way, and then I got one right here blowing this way. And the building, the size of this building, it exchanges the air between the two every 7 minutes, and it circulates. So that's working out excellent. I don't have a mask on, and I haven't coughed yet, so I'm pretty happy with this.